Today we will learn a lesson in civics, power sharing. Now question arises, students, what power sharing is? In general, it means sharing of political power among different organs of the government at different levels of the government and among the different social groups. Isn't it? It is necessary in modern day democratic world because modern democracies cannot be imagined without sharing of political power. It also reduces the social conflict, ensures political stability, isn't it? Now, it has been done in various countries according to their own ways. For example, in Europe, Belgium is a small country. The two major language groups are Dutch-speaking people and the French-speaking people. They have agreed to share political power in central, states as well as in community government. As Belgium adopted the method of power sharing, so it became one of the peace country in Europe, and its capital city has been chosen the seat of European Union, the Brussels. Now power sharing is done in different ways in modern times. First way is power is shared among different organs of the government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. Isn't it? It helps in the balance of power. Secondly, power is also shared among the different levels of the government, that is central government, state government and the local government differently. Third, power is also shared among the different social groups. For example, in Belgium, the local government or called community government is one such example. In our country too, power is also shared in the legislatures. Some seats have been reserved for SC, ST in the legislatures. Seats have been reserved for SC and ST in education system and government jobs. And fourth method of power sharing is among political parties. Political parties align together to conduct or contest election and secure majority in a view to form their government. Thus, they share power. Similarly, different pressure groups within the country, they form their association and influence the decision making of the government. In the same way, movement groups, either temporary or permanent groups, movement groups, they also influence the government's decision making. Cabinet work. Power sharing is done in a different way. It depends upon the country's ethnic composition, isn't it? For example, in Germany, the two major rival political parties, number one, Christian Democratic Party and the Social Democratic Party. Two major parties are historically rivals to each other. They had to form a coalition government because none of them got clear-cut majority of seats on their own in the election of 2005. Thus, you can see a picture on page number 6, Fine German Engineering. The caption of this picture is the Fine German Engineering. Another example given on page number 7 is of Lebanon. Its capital city is Beirut, where the people of Lebanon have shared political power. They have agreed on that country's president must belong to the Maronite sect of Catholic Christian. The prime minister must be from the Sunni Muslim community, and the post of deputy prime minister is fixed for Orthodox Christian sect, and that of the speaker for Shia Muslims. This was the pact done by different ethnic groups in Lebanon. अब इस थोड़ा पिक्चर start. Today, students, we will end the topic here and continue in the later video.